Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio tutorial 67, and today's topic is how to add a marching dots animation in a multi-cloud architecture diagram in Airline Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select cloud architecture, and in the next pop-up you need to select multi-cloud because for today's demo we are discussing about multi-cloud. So in this diagram, I have already generated this diagram for my use case in which the company runs their main application on AWS and Google Cloud Platform. They do their backups on that, and this diagram got generated in just next 15 to 20 seconds on our screen. And today we are discussing about marching dot animations. So kindly go to this animation panel, click on this marching dots, and you can see that dots have started marching. Now if you want to increase number of dots, you can do it from here. If you want to increase the dot spacing, you can do it from here. If you want to increase or decrease the animation speed, you can do it from here. If you want to increase or decrease the depth, you can do it from here. If you want to increase or decrease the dot size, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot color, you can do it from here. So basically adding a marching dot animation in Airline Studio helps you to make your multi-cloud diagrams more dynamic and easy.